AI is changing the game in, well, pretty much everything, and investing is no exception. Want to trade smarter and potentially make your portfolio work harder? Then you need to know about AI trading tools. Ever feel like the stock market is this big, mysterious casino where you're just pushing buttons and hoping for the best? Or maybe you're overwhelmed by all the financial jargon and complex trading strategies. Trust me, you are not alone. But what if you could use technology to help you make smarter, data-driven decisions? That's where AI trading tools come in. In this video, we're diving deep into the best AI trading tools specifically designed for beginners. Whether you're just starting out or you've been dabbling in the market for a while, these tools can help simplify investing, potentially reduce risk, and empower you to make more informed decisions. This is Valuable Finance, your go-to channel for mastering your money, building wealth, and achieving that financial freedom we all dream about. So if you're ready to level up your investing game with the power of AI, you are in the right place. Let's get started. All right, so first up we have FinRL, which stands for Financial Reinforcement Learning. Now, before you click away thinking this sounds way too complicated, hear me out. FinRL is essentially an open-source library, kind of like a toolkit, specifically designed for automated stock trading using something called deep reinforcement learning. Sounds intimidating, right? But think of it this way. Imagine teaching a computer program to play a video game. At first, it's going to be terrible, making random moves and losing constantly. But as it keeps playing and learning from its mistakes, it starts to get better and better until it's beating even the best human players. That's kind of what deep reinforcement learning is all about. Training AI agents through trial and error to make optimal decisions in complex environments. And in this case, that environment is the stock market. Now, FinRL isn't some plug-and-play software that you just install and let run wild with your money. It's more of a platform for those who are interested in getting their hands dirty and developing their own custom trading strategies using AI. It requires some coding knowledge, specifically in Python, but the good news is that FinRL offers tons of tutorials and resources to help you get started, even if you're a complete beginner to AI and programming. They've got your back. One of the coolest things about FinRL is its backtesting feature. Backtesting is basically like simulating your trading strategy on historical data to see how it would have performed in the past. This is crucial because it helps you identify potential flaws in your strategy and optimize it before you risk any real money. Think of it like a test run for your AI trading bot. So, if you're someone who enjoys tinkering, experimenting, and potentially has some coding experience, or is at least willing to learn, then FinRL could be an awesome tool for you to explore the world of AI trading and potentially build your own custom trading algorithms. Remember, though, this one's more for the hands-on learner who's ready to dive into the technical side of things. But hey, even if you're not a coding whiz, don't worry, we've got plenty of other user-friendly options coming up. Next up, we've got Quant Connect, a cloud-based algorithmic trading platform that's perfect for both beginners and seasoned pros. Now, you might be thinking cloud-based? Algorithmic trading? This sounds complicated. But trust me, Quant Connect makes it surprisingly straightforward. Essentially, it's like a one-stop shop for all your algorithmic trading needs. They provide you with all the tools and resources you need to design, backtest, and even execute your own automated trading strategies. And the best part? You don't need to download or install any software because everything happens in the cloud. Just log in through your web browser and you're good to go. One of the things I really like about Quant Connect is its user-friendly interface. They've done a great job of making the platform accessible, even if you're new to algorithmic trading. They offer a drag-and-drop strategy builder, which means you don't need to be a coding expert to get started. You can simply connect different blocks of pre-built trading logic to create your own custom algorithms. Of course, if you are comfortable with coding, Quant Connect also supports multiple programming languages like Python and C#, giving you more flexibility and control over your strategies. Another great feature of Quant Connect is its vast library of historical market data. This data is essential for backtesting your strategies and understanding how they would have performed under different market conditions. And the best part is that Quant Connect provides access to data for a wide range of asset classes, including stocks, futures, options, and even cryptocurrencies. So whether you're interested in day trading, swing trading, or even long-term investing, Quant Connect has got you covered. They also have a really active and supportive community of traders, which can be super valuable when you're just starting out. You can connect with other traders, share ideas, get feedback on your strategies, and even collaborate on projects. Overall, Quant Connect is an excellent platform for anyone looking to explore the world of algorithmic trading. It's user-friendly, feature-rich, and offers a supportive community to help you along the way. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned trader, Quant Connect provides the tools and resources you need to take your trading to the next level. Now, let's say you're not quite ready to build your own trading algorithms just yet. Maybe you're looking for a tool that can help you make smarter investment decisions without all the technical complexity. Well, that's where TipRanks comes in. TipRanks is like having your own personal AI-powered financial analyst, working tirelessly to provide you with insights and data to help you make more informed investment decisions. They use natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to analyze millions of data points from various sources, including news articles, blog posts, social media sentiment, and even regulatory filings. This helps them identify potential investment opportunities and provide you with a comprehensive overview of a stock's potential. One of the things that sets TipRanks apart is its focus on analyst ratings and sentiment. They aggregate ratings and price targets from over 8,000 Wall Street analysts and then use their AI algorithms to rank these analysts based on their track record and accuracy. So instead of just blindly following the herd, you can see which analysts have a history of making accurate predictions and potentially make more informed decisions based on their insights. But TipRanks goes beyond just analyst ratings. They also provide a bunch of other useful tools and features like news sentiment analysis. TipRanks analyzes the sentiment surrounding a particular stock from various news sources, helping you gauge market sentiment and potentially identify emerging trends. Insider trading activity. Want to see what the insiders are doing? TipRanks tracks insider buying and selling activity, giving you insights into the actions of those who know the company best. Hedge fund holdings. Curious about which stocks hedge funds are buying or selling? TipRanks provides data on hedge fund portfolio holdings, allowing you to potentially identify institutional investment trends. Bloggers' sentiment. TipRanks even analyzes the sentiment of financial bloggers to gauge the overall bullishness or bearishness surrounding a particular stock. Basically, TipRanks is like having a team of analysts working around the clock to provide you with data-driven insights. It's a great tool for both beginners and experienced investors who want to leverage the power of AI to make more informed investment decisions. And the best part? They offer a free plan with limited features, so you can try it out and see if it's right for you before committing to a paid subscription. Finally, let's talk about Sterling Stock Picker, an AI-powered platform that's designed to simplify investing for everyone, regardless of their experience level. Now, what makes Sterling Stock Picker stand out is its unique approach to investment recommendations. They use a combination of AI algorithms, fundamental analysis, and technical analysis to identify potentially undervalued stocks with strong growth potential. Think of it like having a team of financial experts working behind the scenes to handpick investment opportunities specifically for you. One of the key features of Sterling Stock Picker is its North Star rating system. This proprietary rating system assigns a score to each stock based on a variety of factors, including financial health, growth prospects, valuation, and market sentiment. The higher the North Star rating, the more attractive the investment opportunity. This makes it super easy for beginners to quickly identify potentially promising stocks without having to sift through mountains of financial data. But Sterling Stock Picker doesn't just stop at stock recommendations. They also provide a bunch of other cool features like personalized portfolio builder. Based on your risk tolerance, investment goals, and time horizon, Sterling Stock Picker helps you build a diversified portfolio that aligns with your financial objectives. Virtual finance coach. Need some guidance along the way? Sterling Stock Picker offers access to a virtual finance coach who can answer your questions, provide personalized advice, and help you stay on track with your investment goals. Educational resources. They also offer a wealth of educational resources, including articles, videos, and webinars, to help you improve your investment knowledge and make more informed decisions. Sterling Stock Picker is a great option for both novice and experienced investors who are looking for a user-friendly platform that does the heavy lifting for them. Their AI-powered recommendations, combined with their personalized guidance and educational resources, make it easy for anyone to get started in the world of investing, regardless of their prior knowledge or experience. So there you have it, guys. 4 incredible AI trading tools that can revolutionize the way you invest. Whether you're a tech-savvy individual who wants to build custom algorithms with FinRL, a data enthusiast who thrives on backtesting strategies with Quant Connect, or someone who prefers AI-driven insights and recommendations with TipRanks or Sterling Stock Picker, there's a tool out there that perfectly matches your investing style and goals. Remember, the world of investing is constantly evolving, and AI is playing an increasingly important role in shaping its future. By embracing these technological advancements, you can potentially gain a competitive edge, make more informed decisions, and ultimately achieve your financial goals faster. As always, the key to successful investing is to do your research, understand the risks involved, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Valuable Finance for more financial insights, and be sure to share it with your friends, family, or anyone who's looking to level up their investing game. Remember, save, invest, and protect to build wealth for life.